Hello mga kachinita! Welcome back again to my live. For today's video, mag-unboxing tayo na. Diba? Paano ba mag-unboxing? Unboxing tayo. I need some kuchi. Ay, sorry guys. Yan. Tayo ng nipple to open this one. Oh my god. Yan. Okay na. Unboxing tayo na. Paano ba yung mga ginagawa ng mga artista, yung mga nag-unboxing? Try nga din. Ito ba? Diba ganyan sila? Pag nag-unboxing sila. Try natin. Unboxing tayo. Parang wow! Look at this! Oh my god! Diba? What's that? Oh, I have my watch, tsaka straps. Ilang strap to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, wait lang. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straps. 7 straps. Ano ba to? Parang oo nga, 7 siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tsaka meron pa siya. This one. Oh my god. Watching me. Diba? So amazing. Ayan, sa may gusto. This is very, very barato. Very mura lang. Diba? Pero, parang yayamanin. Let us try paano ba magkabit nito? Sorry guys, because I don't know how to put this one. Yeah, really, I don't know. Meron bang meron din siyang manual. Tsaka yung charger ng watch. I think dito. O, diba? O, sosyal. Kasyala-syala. Smart watch. Let us try this one. I want this one. The black one. Paano ba to? I don't know. Yun lang. Hindi ko kasi alam. I want to know. Okay, by the way, because I really don't know how, I will just end this my video kasi kailangan kong aralin kung paano to ikabit, okay? Okay, thank you for watching. Sa mga gusto, pa-PM na lang. Very more. Tsaka ko 7 yung niya. 7 yung watch straps. Tapos meron ka pang this one. Bluetooth din to. Diba? Kung nasa labas ka. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please follow pa more for more videos. Thank you. Bye.